Guys, we are actually on our way to get this new piece of equipment for the channel. So, going to my buddy Kenny's. He's got the proper equipment to unload this thing. The people delivering it only have a lift gate and like a pallet jack, but this thing weighs over 3,000 pounds. So we're probably gonna have to use the skid steer to do it. So that's what we're going to do. We're gonna load it up on Kenny's trailer, and then we're gonna bring it over to my house. So I will see you guys at Kenny's, unload this sucker. I'm super excited. This thing's gonna be so nice to have here on the channel. Let's go. Gonna probably unload this thing, uncrate it, and then probably load it on his trailer. Got a big skid steer, one of the bigger ones they make, and a baby skid steer. Man, Kenny is the man. I gotta run back to the house, let the dogs out real quick. I actually uncrate it up here at Kenny's house, and then we're gonna put it on his trailer and probably bring it to my house. I don't know if we're gonna do it all here today or not. Probably will. Start the old Duramax up.
Yeah, you're good. Okay, you're gonna teeter a lot, so lean back a little bit. Go ahead. Yeah, come on. Nice and slow. You're good. Right there. That's it. Yeah. That's the bucker area.
Yeah.
Yeah, right here. Just stop on the grass there. You can even leave it there. Yeah, that's fine. Look out the sides. Yeah, check both sides. Good.
All right, guys, so we got the microphone and the good camera. It's too windy to be using anything else. All right, guys, so here it is, the Bomalite TRL 630D. I am so excited to have this thing. The attachments have not arrived just yet. They should be here on the 12th, which I thought this was gonna arrive on the 12th, but it did not. As you guys seen, it was a little early and it was kind of unexpected. That's not on Bomalite, that's on the shipping company for not letting me know. Not a big deal. Luckily, Kenny was available, and so it worked out just fine. But the Bomalite TRL 630D is built in North America. It is diesel. It's got the Kubota D1105 24.8 horsepower engine. It's a hydrostatic drive, 2-speed, so it's actually faster than most mini skid steers out there. It's probably one of the fastest out there. I think it goes like 5 point something miles per hour. which is actually moving on one of these machines. Like, it really is. I think it's around 5 miles an hour. Yeah, this thing's built like a tank. It's got one of the best diesel engines you can put in these small machines. And it's got a GPM of 10.5. So you can run a good bit of, hydraulic attachments on this. And I'm really excited to try that out. So on the 12th, we'll be getting a couple attachments, plus the bucket and the pallet forks. So we have a good bit of stuff we can put to the test in upcoming videos. And obviously we're gonna start adding more and more as we go. But built really, really nicely. This is not a cheap machine. The price reflects that. This is a buy once, cry once type of machine, made in North America. This is not a cheap Chinese skid steer. I know the market is flooded with those, and they do have their place. This is not one of those. This is a North American built machine, built like a tank. All of this metal you can see here, super thick. The welds are nice. It is built for everyday use, commercial use, like a landscaping business or construction, whatever it may be. This thing is built for that kind of abuse. So we're gonna be putting it to the test out here on this property, and I have a lot of things planned back on the trails. We're putting up a pole barn here shortly. So this thing is gonna get a lot of use here. Back behind the property, back in these woods, there's a lot of carnage from the hurricanes and tornadoes and things like that. So this thing's gonna be very helpful for cleanup and pulling out dead trees, things like that. So we're gonna be putting this thing to the test. If you guys have any experience with these mini skid steers, I'd love to hear your guys' input on them. I'm new to it. This thing's awesome, but I'm sure there's other great options out there. I'd love to hear you guys' input on them. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be on the lookout for more videos with this thing. I am so excited to have it here on the channel. We're going to do a lot of work with this thing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.